Thank you for your purchase of the Lancaster Double Bookcase by Fernco International. In the following video guide, we will show you how to easily assemble and use your bookcase. In this segment, we will review all of the parts and hardware used in this assembly. After opening the box, take an inventory of the parts and hardware to be used in this assembly. If you find any missing pieces or have questions, please contact our customer service department at 1-877-676-1050. Front frame assembly. Bottom panel. Top panel. Back panel. Bottom front molding. Two bottom side moldings. Top front molding. Two top side moldings. 6 wooden shelves. 2 extra have been included. 4 glass shelf frames. 4 glass shelf inserts. 16 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch hex head bolts. 25 1/4 inch by 1 inch hex head bolts. 4 L brackets. 4 round L brackets. 40 shelf pins. Tipping restraint hardware. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this installation. 2 people are recommended for assembly. In this segment, we will show you how to assemble the bookcase frame. Place the front frame face down on a soft, clean surface. Lift the hinged end panels and slide the bottom panel into the grooves on the end panels. Using 2 L brackets and 4 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch bolts, attach the bottom panel to the front frame assembly and tighten using a Phillips head screwdriver. Lift the center panel of the front frame assembly and attach it to the bottom panel using 1 1/4 inch by 1 inch bolt. Slide the top panel into the grooves on the front frame assembly. And attach with 2 L brackets and 4 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch bolts. Attach the top panel to the center panel using 1 1/4 inch by 1 inch bolt. Thread the light touch sensor wire through the hole in the top panel. and connect it to the lighting assembly. In this segment, we will show you how to assemble the bookcase back panel and the crown and base moldings. Slide the back panel into the grooves on the end panels. And attach using 3 1/4 inch by 1 inch bolts. Place 4 round L brackets into the grooves on the end panels and back panel. Tighten 1 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch bolt to the end panel, followed by 1 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch bolt to the back panel for each bracket. Carefully turn your Lancaster bookcase over. Attach the bottom front molding using 5 1/4 inch by 1 inch bolts. Attach the bottom side moldings using 4 1/4 inch by 1 inch bolts for each piece. Attach the top front molding using 3 1/4 inch by 1 inch bolts. Attach the top side moldings using 2 1/4 inch by 1 inch bolts for each piece. Carefully set your bookcase upright. Install shelf pins into the desired holes in the bookcase ends and center panels. Place the wood shelves into the bottom of the bookcase. And glass shelf frames into the top. Carefully place the glass shelf inserts into the glass shelf frames. Make sure that your light assembly is plugged in. To operate the lights, simply touch the metal button on the bookcase center panel. Your assembly is now complete. Thank you for choosing the Lancaster bookcase. We hope that you enjoy your purchase. Please know that we are always here to serve you. If you should ever have any needs or questions, please don't hesitate to contact our customer service department at 1-877-676-1050 or visit www.ferncoproducts.com.